Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I do an Olaplex treatment at home. So if you haven't noticed right now, Olaplex is all the rage. It's everywhere on Instagram, on YouTube, at least in the curly hair world. So I first discovered Olaplex through Hi Felicia, the curl queen. You guys can check out her video. She does a video on how she does her Olaplex treatment, and she's been raving about this for a while, so I had to get it, and a lot of other people ended up getting it too. This is awesome. So what this is it's a bond repair treatment. So our hair is made up of bonds and proteins, so when we damage our hair through whether it be straightening or coloring or just how you manipulate it or manage it, that can cause, you know, damage or breakage or whatever. So what this does is it repairs all those broken bonds. So there are 3 different forms to the Olaplex system. There's Olaplex number 1, number 2, and number 3. So I have number 3 here, and I learned that Olaplex number 1 and number 2 should only be used by a stylist at a hair salon. So number 3 is actually made to be an at-home treatment. So this one is a less potent version of number 2. Olaplex number 2 has 15% concentrate, whereas Olaplex number 3 has 12.5% concentrate. And the best part is that Olaplex is for all hair types. Straight, wavy, curly, thick, frizzy, whatever. It is made for all hair types to basically bring your hair back to its natural state. So this helps to make your hair softer, reduce frizz. If you have curls, make them more defined. It's just amazing all around. So I haven't been using Olaplex for very long. I just got it recently last month. So this is only my second time using it. I'm gonna leave a clip to show you guys the results after I used it for the first time. And I used it with Briogeo's Volumizing conditioner, so my hair looks huge. So I loved the results from that day. My hair was so full, it felt so soft. It was very voluminous. Obviously that had partly to do with the volumizing conditioner that I used, but most of it had to do with the Olaplex, seriously. Because I've used the volumizing conditioner many times before and it does work great, but it never looked like that. So my hair was like on another level that day. So I'll just get into how to use it. So I'll read you guys the instructions on the back. It says use before shampooing. It is not a conditioner, it's a bond builder. Directions of use: you can use it 1 time per week. For damaged hair, use it 2 to 3 times per week. Apply on damp towel dried hair. Apply a generous amount from scalp to ends until it is thoroughly saturated. Leave on for a minimum of 10 minutes, longer if desired, and then rinse from hair, shampoo, and condition as usual. So I already rinsed my hair. It's not soaking wet at all. I actually rinsed it probably like 45 minutes ago, so it's still damp, but it's not soaked. So what I'm gonna do is section my hair and then start applying the Olaplex. So something I learned from Hi Felicia is when you're applying the product in your hair, don't apply too much of it to areas that you know are not damaged. Try to focus most of the product on an area that might have damage, whether it be an area where you colored it or where you might have straightened it a lot. So you do want to saturate your hair with the product, but don't put too much if you know that part of your hair is good. So you want to make sure that you detangle your hair before you add the product into it. So I use my Denman brush, just gently brush it, and then add it in. You do want to saturate your hair though. You don't want to leave any parts of your hair dry. So after you apply it to your hair, you can leave it as is, you can braid it, you can twist it. I'm just going to twist it like this so I know which section has already got the product in it. And you can make it into smaller sections if you want. Do it however you see fit. If your hair is thicker, you might want to do it in, you know, smaller sections to make sure all of your hair is saturated. And it has a light smell. The smell is not bad at all. It smells like, I don't know, it smells like florally kind of. It smells like something I smelled before for sure. It's not strong though. So I'm really going to focus the product on these sections of hair because this is the top section where I have most of my highlights, and I feel like just the top section of your hair, you know, gets hit by the sun more, so it's more prone to damage. So I'm going to use a little bit more than usual on these sections here. So if you have really dry ends, you want to focus the product on your ends, or if you have really frizzy roots, you want to focus the product on your roots because it's going to work really well to help rejuvenate that section of your hair. Okay guys, so I'm finished putting it in my hair. So the wait time varies. It's all depending on your hair and what your hair needs. So the instructions say that you can leave it on for 10 minutes or longer if desired. I'm gonna leave mine on for 30 minutes because I just wanted to get in there as much as possible. So I'm gonna do that and I will be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. It's been a little over half an hour because I had to eat, I was hungry, but this is what my hair looks like. So obviously it dried up some. It's not fully dry, it's still a little bit damp, but when you leave the Olaplex in your hair for a long period of time, it starts to get a little bit hard. Not a lot at all, it just has like a little cast. But yeah, now I'm gonna wash it out. So it says after you rinse this out, you shampoo and condition like normal. Okay guys, so that's it. I shampooed and conditioned my hair. I have nothing in my hair right now, it's just water. And my hair looks pretty curly already. You can use any shampoo and conditioner you want, honestly. Obviously, like a good one that doesn't have like sulfates and parabens and silicones and all that bad stuff. But I used Diva Curl, so you can use whatever you want. So yeah guys, this is how I use Olaplex No.3. If you used it before, let me know down in the comments below what your results were like. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!